How you doing, everyone? It's Mr. Keysbay. I'm a little under the weather, but I got something cool I put together for you guys, a video. This is all new to me, and this technology that I'm using, but it's cool. I put this together to guide you for today's lesson, okay? Now, yesterday we were learning about solving linear equations, right? Now there was a couple of you guys yesterday asked me, Mr. Keyspayer, how do you solve a linear equation dealing with fractions? So what I did was yesterday I went over a few of them, but I'm going to go over it one more time with you guys. Okay, so I'll do one or two examples. So let's try one with y minus 1 over, look, two terms over a number 4 equals -2. Now, Mr. Keys, but I don't like fractions. Okay, we're going to get rid of this fraction and we're going to turn it into a nice straight linear equation. Okay, so let me choose another color. And this is what we always are going to do. Look, when you guys deal with fractions, always look at the denominator and use distributive property. Multiply both sides of the equation, with that denominator. So here we go, look, 4y minus 1 over 4 equals -2 times that 4 that we pulled out, right? Now, let's use a different color now, again. Now, let's cancel these out. You have a denominator, you have the outside 4. Let's count 4 into 4 is what? Once, right? So, it's only leave us y minus 1 equals, what's -2 times +4? -8, okay? We're almost done, right? Now, we need to solve for what variable? Y, okay? So we do the addition equality property, cancel that one out. Now let's finish it out. We bring we bring it down. Now what happens to -1 plus 1? They get canceled out. We go equals, what's -8 and +1? -7. So this is my solution. But I need to double check, okay? I need to double check and put that -7 back into that y to see if both sides equal and to see if it's a solution or not. So let's try another color. So our y is -7. And let's pick another color. I'm color coding, guys. -1 over 4 equals -2. Now, -7, -1, rules of integers. You add them. It's -8 over what? 4 equals -2. Now, I'm hoping that -8 divided by 4 equals -2. Because if it does, that's the same thing on the right side of the equation. If it does, it's telling me, yes, it is a solution for this equation. Okay, so -8 divided by 4 is -2 equals -2. Yes, it is. Some of the work in the Pearson textbook is going to tell you to check for solution. This is the way you do it. I'll give you guys a smiley face. All right, so listen up. This is what you're going to do. Group 2, you need to start working on group 1, okay? On the Moodle page. Go to your Moodle page, group 2. Today you will do groups 1 work. Group 1, you will go to group 2. You will follow the assignment on the Moodle page and complete it. I will check it Wednesday when I come back. All right. So let's do another problem. Okay. Let's get rid of this here. Save. Yes. So let's work on another problem. Okay. So let's say we have -x plus 2 equals 4. Okay. So we know how we see a variable, it's x, right? And that's what we're going to solve for, right? Simple. So now let's see. I want to combine like terms, the variables. I like to put this, I see a -x. And I also see a integers. I have a +2. And I see a +4, right? Combine like terms. I'm going to do the bridge technique on this one, guys. Okay? The bridge technique on this one. So I want the variables on the left side of the bridge, and I want all the integers on the right side of my bridge. So let's see what's already to the left side. we only want negative x, right? We just bring it down, equals, all right? And let's see on the right side, any integers? Yep, we see one here. We just bring it down and we leave it alone. Now, there's a problem. We didn't use that positive 2, but it's on the left side. Should we leave it there? No, we need to bring it across the bridge. And if it goes across the bridge, that positive 2 turns into its opposite side. What does it turn into, guys? A negative 2, okay? Let's choose another color. All right, so let's finish it out. Negative x equals, what's 4 minus 2, guys? 2. All right, now there's a problem here. What do you notice? The variable, look at it. It has a negative sign. I need to get rid of that negative. I need to keep it a positive x, all right? That variable needs to be positive. So you could either divide it with a negative on both sides, or what I like to do is multiply both sides by negative. So negative times negative x is positive x, equals 2 times negative is negative 2. And your answer is x equals negative 2. Now, let's see if this is the solution, okay? We need to plug it back into our equation for x. Listen, you see this negative x, this negative right here? We have to repeat it no matter what. Okay? Now let's plug in for x. You see how I'm doing? Because this is called deductive reasoning. All right? Okay, so now we have a positive plus sign, and then we bring the 2 equals, we're repeating everything, right? Let me just put a different color for that negative 2 so you know this was our x, okay? So you can see the difference. I'm color coding, guys. All right? All right, so negative times negative is what, guys? Positive 2. You bring back the other 2 down, equals 4, right? Okay, so 2 plus 2, I'm hoping it equals 4. Of course it does. 4 equals 4. Is this a solution, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, it is. Okay? So make sure you guys go onto your Moodle page. Make sure you go into your Moodle page. So what happens is group 2, again, group 2, you will do group 1's work today. Group 1, you will now do groups 2. Stay in your position where I placed you guys yesterday. I'm gonna check the work on Wednesday and make sure also too, guys, we're gonna have a quiz on Friday. Okay, a quiz on Friday. Now, if you happen to be done with the work, there is a follow-up on the Moodle page. Excuse me, on the Moodle page. So we will have a quiz on linear equations and on linear equations on Friday. So be prepared for that. And you guys need to know these steps because we're going to be doing inequalities and we're going to be graphing inequalities too as well. And we need to learn these steps and make sure you get it down pat, okay? So study, make sure you guys do your homework and all, and I'll see you soon.